The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, has time and again clarified issues pertaining to candidates facing or even convicted of the charges filed against them. The poll body's answer has always been in the affirmative, as barring any legal impediment, the right to public office will always be honored, as it again will be for a lawmaker and a former House Solon convicted of child abuse. Luisa Erispe has the full report.
ACT Teachers Party List Representative Castro, Satur Ocampo, and 11 others were convicted guilty by a court in Tagum, Davao del Norte for abusing minors back in 2018. Based on a 26-page decision by the court, Castro and others are sentenced by 4 to 6 years. This is because the court has found evidence to prove Castro had abused minors by making them walk barefoot for hours in the dark. Aside from this, the danger is definite because their lives are at stake, considering that the place where they walked on is the usual place of encounters between the New People's Army and the military. The court then decided that aside from putting them in jail, those found guilty will also be asked to pay 20,000 pesos for civil indemnity and moral damages. The Philippine Army welcomes this decision of the Tagum Regional Trial Court. In their statement, Colonel Louis de Maala said, Castro and Ocampo's conviction is a clear indication that the justice system in the Philippines is still working, and this may serve as a symbol that the law will run after people exploiting children and indigenous people. The National Task Force to End Local Terrorists, or NTF-LCAC, also expressed the same sentiments. NTF-LCAC Undersecretary Ernesto Torres Jr. said this indicates the justice system will still prevail, and this is worth celebrating for by IPs who has endured so much abuse and exploitation. They also thanked all those behind the decision, as this rightful victory is for the IPs. Even the Department of Justice shares the same stand. But Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla said they will keep an eye out for these people to retain their respect for the courts if they decide to seek legal remedies and appeal the decision. Remulla added if these convicted usurp the public trust or disrespect the country's justice system, it will not be tolerated. But for Castro and Ocampo, the decision has left them dismayed because they claim that they are not liable for abusing those children. They insist the decision is arbitrary, simply unacceptable and unjust, and because of this, they intend to file an appeal on a proper forum.
At any rate, we deny all of the allegations, and ang lawyer namin will be manifested to the court, and we will appeal. Existing bail bonds namin dun sa kaso ay tinuring at tinanggap ng korte na applicable sa period ng appeal. So, hindi kami pwedeng arrestuin.
Kung sino pa yung nagtatanggol para sa mga karapatan ng mga kabataan at ay kami pa yung na-convict o kami pa yung mapaparusahan.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.